Hey.
Welcome to Droidcon Sauce Lab. What is it about? Is it sauce?
That is
like
an
real
excellent
sauce?
question. Yeah, that's a little bit related to the sauces.
Okay.
But no, so we are a platform for test that enables developers, mobile app developers, to run tests against our platform.
Okay.
So you can store the applications, iOS, Android applications, any type of app you want. You can distribute them, so you can test internally with your developers, product people, marketing people. You can send the builds to them. You can distribute it. It's a great option as the alternative for App Center since it's retiring soon. And essentially, you can run automated tests as well against these devices. So if you're using Espresso, XUI test, FPM, or any type of framework, you can easily hook up to our real devices, emulators, simulators, and run tests against them. And the tests can be automated as well, or if you have to manually debug applications. As you can see in this example, we are connected into our Berlin data center to a Google Pixel 6 device. You can see the device logs, you can have access to DevTools, ADB shell, inspects UI element. So that helps you as a developer to debug stuff manually as well. If you have something reported by your users, by your customers, or by your QA team. So yeah, these are all the things you can run. And for post-production, we have an error and crash reporting solution as well. So you can capture all the errors and crashes that your customers and users experiencing on production on iOS and Android. And if you want, you can upload your builds directly to the Play Store and App Store. So you have a single platform where you can handle everything around your mobile application and enables you to run your whole mobile SDLC.
That's great. So this is a real device. It's not emulator.
That is not an emulator. So we literally have thousands and thousands of devices in racks set up in our data center. And here we are establishing a remote connection to these devices. We have 3 data centers. One is in EU. We have a data center in Atlanta, and we have a data center in California. And we have thousands of iOS and Android combinations that you can see here in the screen. So we have a lot of options. We have the latest models as well, and you can have access to older models as well. If you have some specific bugs you have to reproduce, and there's not a great emulated or simulated environment. But again, like all the automated tests you can run on emulators, simulators, you get used to it in your environment. So it'll be helping with all the parallelization. So you can run these pipelines much faster on our platform.
And what can I do with the device? Can I rotate it? Can I take a photo?
Absolutely. So there's a lot of options to simulate similar conditions than you have in your pocket or next to your desk. So you can rotate the device if you would like to have. You can restart the applications. You can take screenshots. You can mimic different options with the Wi-Fi itself. And you can additionally upload information to the camera, setting the GPS, or run ADB commands against these devices. So these are all the things that you are able to run. And again, like this is native apps as well, or web applications too. So anything you want to run on the device. And you can have access to our public device pool, or you can have your own private device dedicated to you and assigned to you.
That's interesting. There are lots of device-specific bugs that are painful to catch and fix. Let's say I'm a single Android developer who just want to test on a specific device. How is the pricing? How can I minimize all the costs?
Yeah, that is an excellent question. So our platform enables smaller startup indie developers, individuals to sign up to the platform. Just open saucelabs.com. You can sign up. We have a free trial option, so you will have access to devices where you can test out your applications or the device itself. And you just pay for parallelization and our concurrency. So if you want, you can have access to all these devices by paying $50 a month. And you can run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parallel sessions against them, automated or manually.
Great, that's very interesting thing. And what's the benefit of using Sauce Lab in comparison to Firebase Farm?
Oh, that is an excellent question. So at SourceLab, we are trying to care about the mobile app developers and the mobile app development lifecycle and journey. And we have a large set of devices, real devices. So you have access to a lot of different models in the OS version, really old ones too, because we know on production, we all have those really old Huawei devices where your application is crashing, so you can have access to that. And it's really easy to integrate with our API, because we don't want to lock you into a specific framework or a specific type of test you want to run. We enable anything to run on our platform. That's why it's a great platform for test.
Okay, great. And where are you based? Are you in Germany, in US?
That is an excellent question. So our headquarters based in San Francisco. We have multiple development teams in Berlin, Warsaw, and spread out across the globe. So we are trying to be a remote-based company, and obviously we have people around our data centers too. So yeah.
Are you hiring?
Yes, we do hiring for specific engineering roles for app distribution solutions. So check out SourceLab's careers company page and you see all of our open positions there. Happy to have you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Happy
so much.
Droidcon.
Thank you.